Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January the 7th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far, but it is a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the storm system moving across the country, take a look at some severe weather in this video as well towards the near the end of it. Also, we're going to take a look at the snowfall totals as well across the lower 48. Your current watches warning advisory map is also included, and we're going to take a look at your local forecast also in this package as well. But let's first go ahead and dive on into the lower 48 satellite imagery. But first, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to reach 700 subscribers. I need some help from everyone. If everybody could hit that subscribe button. If you're a new viewer, thank you for tuning in. If you like this forecast channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. And make sure you subscribe if you have not already. And also like these videos and share these videos also, so more people get a chance to see my videos as well. Alrighty. Now let's go ahead and take a look at your satellite imagery across the lower 48. You can see you got plume of moisture moving into Mexico, also into Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, also in the port of Colorado. Got more activity across Washington, Oregon State, Northern California to Idaho, toward the Dakotas, also through Wyoming and Utah areas as well in Colorado. Got some scattered activity over here in Louisiana up towards the Kentucky, Tennessee areas as well, and also in the portion of Missouri. A little bit of activity up here in northern portion of Michigan, moving away from the region. A little bit of activity up here near Nova Scotia areas as well. Alright, let's move on to your local forecast now, and it should roll out something like this here in just a few minutes. And we're going to take a look at your Thursday forecast as soon as it pops up here in just a few minutes. Here we go. We've got thunderstorms and showers from up here from a portion of West Virginia to Ohio to Indiana to Missouri to Oklahoma to Texas to Louisiana down toward Mississippi and Alabama. We've got shower activity stretching from areas of southern Arizona to southern New Mexico, through Kansas, through Iowa to Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Superior region as well, over toward Pennsylvania, up here just western New York State, also in the portion of northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. We got some more shower activity along Washington, Oregon State, northwestern California, heavy snow in portion of Washington, Oregon State, and also eastern areas of that state as well, stretching over to the portion of Idaho. Snow showers also in Montana, Idaho, Oregon, down toward Nevada, over towards areas of Utah, Wyoming, Montana, through western North and South Dakota, and portion of Nebraska. Heavy rain, not heavy rain, but flash flood, freezing rain possible. Can't get it out there, but we got it now. Freezing rain possible for portion of northern Michigan, Wisconsin to Minnesota to northern Iowa. And then we got some heavy snow over portion of Colorado, New Mexico, and also in the portion of Arizona. Mixed precipitation also stretching portion of California, southern Nevada to Arizona, New Mexico to Colorado, all the way over toward Iowa, also toward Wisconsin, and also toward Lake Superior as well. Otherwise, expect your high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to your Friday outlook now, and it should roll out something like this here in just a few minutes. Alright, you can see got some mixed precipitation over here in Washington State, some snow flying in portion of Idaho, Montana, also portion of southeastern Montana, Wyoming, down to Colorado, Nebraska. Also got some heavy snow over portions of Colorado regions as well. Got mixed precipitation straight from New Mexico to Kansas to Iowa to Wisconsin, up here around Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Michigan, and northern Michigan areas as well. Got more mixed precipitation, freezing rain from portion of eastern Pennsylvania through New York State to Vermont, northern New Hampshire into Maine. Shower activity stretching from Missouri to Illinois to Indiana to Ohio, all the way to Ottawa and Toronto, Canada. Portion of Maine down to Rhode Island, Pennsylvania, Virginia, North Carolina areas as well. We got thunderstorms and showers from the northwestern Gulf, Texas, Louisiana, all the way over towards West Virginia. Also in the portion of Kentucky and Ohio. Got some flash flooding, heavy rain over Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. With some severe weather here in the yellow from Louisiana to Arkansas to Tennessee to areas of Mississippi and also areas of Alabama. So, alrighty. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Friday. Alright, let's roll on into the Watches Warning Advisory map for your location across the nation, currently across the area. These are the current Watches Warning Advisory map, and it looks like this here. Special weather statements up here in Maine. Also got some dense fog advisory in portion of northeast Minnesota. Then more dense fog advisory across southern Georgia, northern Florida. Also along the coastal waters there. From the Big Bend, Panhandle, all the way towards southeast Texas. Even Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama got some dense fog advisories there as well. Special weather statements up here in North Dakota. Then we got some areas of wind advisories over here in portions of Nevada, Southern California, northwestern areas of Arizona, and also you guys in portion of Oregon. Also, we have winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings, and winter storm watches in effect for portions of. Also, we've got some wind advisories in areas of New Mexico. Alright, here you go. Alright, winter weather advisory, winter storm warning, winter storm watches are in effect for you guys in New Mexico, Arizona, to areas of Colorado, Utah, Nevada, Idaho, Washington, Oregon State. And also we have some, let's see, what do we have here? Extreme cold weather watches and cold weather advisory for portion of Western California areas as well. Alright, we got a little bit of small craft advisory from Maine all the way down to New York City. And then again from southern areas of California up to Washington State. Southern Hawaii Chain Island, around the Alaska region. We have some in the blue freeze and spray it warnings, advisories, small craft advisories. Also some storm warnings in the purple that is. Extreme cold weather warnings in effect for southern Alaska, inland Alaska as well. Also we got some special weather statements. Also there's some more areas of extreme cold weather watches in effect. Also some more cold weather advisories also in effect for the Alaska region also. Alright, let's move on to the severe weather outlook. Should roll out something like this here. And we do have a marginal risk across portions of the area. As you can see here, we have a marginal risk from Wichita Falls over towards Springfield, Missouri, down towards Jackson, Mississippi. General thunderstorm from Houston, Texas, all the way up to Del Monte, Iowa, and also towards Columbus, Ohio. Tucson, Arizona, over towards Las Vegas, Nevada, and also Durango, Colorado. Alright, let's take a look at the tornado probability. 2% around the Tulsa, Norman, Little Rock, also Greenville, Jackson, Springfield areas for a tornado or two. Damaging winds. 5% from Wichita Falls to Springfield over toward Jackson, Mississippi. And large hail looks like this here. Just pretty much around Tulsa down toward Wichita Falls in Texas. Alright, let's move on to day number 3. We have a slight risk of severe weather and a marginal risk, just like I mentioned last night. There's that marginal risk I was naming last night from Houston, Texas to Lupkins, all the way to Bowling Greens, Evans, and Chattanooga area. Here's that slight risk stretching from Alexandria, Louisiana, Nashville, Tennessee, you're included, Jackson, Memphis, Greenville, Jackson, Mississippi areas as well. Then we have general thunderstorm from Brownsville, Texas, over toward the upstate of South Carolina, all the way toward Fort Wayne, Indiana. Probability looks like this. 5 and 15% across the board here. You can see right in this area here from Houston to Kentucky to northwest Georgia down toward New Orleans. 15% in the yellow, 5% in the brown. Alright, snowfall totals over the next 16 days will roll out like this. You can see the heavy snow over southeast Canada, stretching into a portion of New Brunswick, also in the portion of Newfoundland, Maine, toward New York State, Michigan. Also got some heavy snow over a portion of West Virginia, North Carolina, also down into Texas, more up across Washington, Oregon, Idaho, Northern California, also Wyoming, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Nevada, and then over here across Iowa, then more across the Dakotas, back into South Canada as well. Elsewhere looks to be maybe dusting to maybe up to 3 to 4 inches in some areas across the board. Still nothing for the Carolinas yet. We're still monitoring to see if we can get any snow or ice. There's something hinting that something could be coming up around next weekend, possibly. Something maybe could be across the southeast. I will keep an update on it, see what the latest model runs show. we'll keep you up to date and see what happens. But I just want to give you a heads up just in case if anything do happen late next week, winter weather wise. I will go ahead and let you know that there's a possibility something could happen next weekend, toward late next week, toward the weekend. We'll keep you up to date just to see what happens. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got.